Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming authorization and gathering evidence you own the file. This avoids legal trouble. Once done, check the original device and cloud backups for an unlocked copy, and sign into the Microsoft account tied to the workbook. Make sure to open any email attachments where the file was first received and check password manager entries. These immediate steps often restore access without risking data loss, so act on them before attempting drastic measures. Next, use official recovery channels to regain access. If the workbook is tied to a Microsoft account, follow account recovery prompts. Microsoft support can guide you through identity verification. Once done, check OneDrive or SharePoint version history and restore a previous version that isn't password protected. If you have a readable backup, make sure to export critical sheets and paste them into a fresh workbook. These legitimate steps preserve data integrity and respect security control. Finally, if recovery attempts fail, recreate the workbook from exported data or older backups. You'll regain functionality without bypassing protections. Make sure to document proof of ownership and contact the file owner or your IT department for formal recovery help. This ensures compliance. If the file appears corrupted, try Excel's built-in repair or a trusted backup. If problems persist, escalate to Microsoft support with proof. They can assist while preserving security and legality.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.